Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to view posts you've liked on Instagram on your PC with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Start by logging into your Instagram account on your PC. Enter your login details to access your account and ensure you're on the main screen. Step 2. In the bottom left corner, look for the More icon or the 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Your Activity. This will take you to a section where you can view your interactions and activity on Instagram, including the posts you've liked. Step 4. Within the Your Activity section, navigate to the Likes subsection. Here, you'll find the posts you've liked in the past. To organize these liked posts, click on Sort and Filter. Step 5. In the Sort and Filter options, choose Newest to Oldest to arrange the liked posts from the most recent to the oldest ones. This will help you easily access and revisit the posts you've liked on Instagram. By following these steps, you can efficiently view posts you've liked on Instagram on your PC. Rediscover your favorite posts, track recent interactions, and engage with content that resonated with you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to view posts you've liked on Instagram on PC. Stay connected with the content you enjoy, interact with posts that inspire you, and curate your liked posts based on the latest updates.